Do you have a law degree or experience working in the legal industry? Or are you interested in pursuing a career in law? If yes, then there's a way for you to make money online by offering online legal services. Online legal services have become more and more popular over the years, and it's a great way for lawyers or legal professionals to earn an income from home. By offering legal advice, document preparation, or other legal services online, you can reach a wider audience and work with clients from all over the world. Some popular online legal services platforms include LegalZoom, Rocket Lawyer, and Avu. These platforms allow you to create a profile, offer your services, and connect with potential clients who are in need of legal assistance. So, if you have legal experience and want to make money online, consider offering your services through an online legal services platform.